Join me as I dive into the world of flip phones and put this new iPhone model to the test. Can it really be the future of our mobile devices? The concept of iPhone flip phones might seem retro, but what if I told you they're making a comeback in today's tech landscape? With the rise of nostalgia-driven trends and the constant demand for innovation, it's no wonder phone manufacturers are revisiting the classic flip design. Traditional smartphones have been plagued by some major issues. Screens are prone to cracking, and batteries often can't keep up with our increasing usage. It's not uncommon to see someone walking around with a cracked screen or scrambling to find an outlet to charge their phone. The fragility of our devices has become the norm, but it doesn't have to be that way. Flip phones, on the other hand, offer a durable design that can withstand the rigors of daily life. The flip mechanism protects the screen when not in use, and their compact size often results in longer battery life. It's no wonder people are looking for alternatives to the traditional smartphone. The rise of flip phones also coincides with our growing concern for screen time and digital wellness. With flip phones, you're less likely to mindlessly scroll through social media or get sucked into an endless vortex of YouTube videos. The intentional design of flip phones encourages more thoughtful phone use, and that's something many people are actively seeking. Furthermore, the tactile experience of flipping open a phone and clicking physical buttons is a sensory delight that many of us miss from the old days. From a purely practical standpoint, flip phones also make a lot of sense. They're often more affordable than high-end smartphones, and their simplicity means they're less prone to buggy software and security issues. So, what exactly would an iPhone flip phone look like, and what features would it need to have to succeed in today's market? When it comes to features, an iPhone flip phone would need to balance traditional flip phone design with the innovation we've come to expect from Apple. A foldable screen would be a must, allowing for a larger display area while maintaining the compact flip design. Multitasking capabilities would also be essential, enabling users to quickly switch between apps and features. We'd also need to see advanced camera capabilities, perhaps with a cleverly designed pop-up camera that takes advantage of the flip mechanism. Another key feature would be seamless integration with other Apple devices. Imagine being able to start something on your iPhone flip phone and pick it up effortlessly on your Mac or iPad. The possibilities for multitasking and productivity would be endless. Additionally, advanced AI-driven features could enable the phone to learn your habits and adapt to your needs, making it an indispensable tool in your daily life. Let's imagine a hypothetical design for an iPhone flip phone. The device would have a sleek, premium feel, with a gorgeous foldable OLED screen that unfolds to reveal a stunning display. The flip mechanism would be smooth and satisfying, with a subtle click as you open and close the phone. The exterior would feature a durable, scratch-resistant material, with subtle lines and curves that evoke the classic flip phones of yesteryear. As you flip open the phone, you'd be greeted by a stunning display that's perfect for watching videos, browsing the web, or checking your notifications. The interface would be clean and intuitive, with cleverly designed gestures that take advantage of the flip mechanism. You could, for example, flip the phone to switch between apps or open the camera with a quick flick of the wrist. So, what do you think? Could an iPhone flip phone really be the future of our mobile devices? With its unique blend of durability, innovation, and nostalgia, it's definitely an intriguing possibility. The future of iPhone flip phones is bright, and it'll be exciting to see how Apple and other manufacturers choose to innovate and push the boundaries of what's possible. Thanks for joining me on this exploration of the potential future of iPhone flip phones. If you have any thoughts or opinions on the topic, be sure to share them in the comments below. And if you have any other tech topics you'd like me to cover, let me know.